Hello guys, today we are going to show you how to copy and share thread profiling. So the process is quite simple and easy. So let's start the process. First of all, open your thread app. Now you will see your profile icon at the right bottom. Tap on your profile icon and you will see the option share profile. Simply tap on this option. So from here you can directly share your thread profile on other platforms. So here is the WhatsApp and Facebook. If I swipe it to the left side, then here are the other platforms. So if you want to copy the profile link of your thread, so I will show you a way, because I can't directly copy my thread profile link from here. So simply tap on WhatsApp. Now send this profile link to your friend, like I am sending to this one. Now tap on send icon. When the next person will tap on this link, your profile will be open. So now if you want to copy and want to send on another platform, simply tap and hold on this icon. So as you see, the link is copied. So by this way you can copy your thread profile link on Android.